In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Temu order history easily. If you've been wondering about how to manage your online footprint on Temu, this guide will walk you through the steps you need to follow. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the Temu website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Temu's web address in the search bar. Once the page is loaded, you'll find yourself on Temu's homepage. Here, you can see all the various products and promotions available, but for today's task, we are solely focusing on your order history. Now, let's get a bit more interactive with Temu. You'll need to look for the chat feature on their website. Typically, this is labeled as Chat with Temu, and you'll find it prominently on their customer support or contact page. If you're having difficulty locating it, try scrolling to the bottom of the homepage where support links are often positioned. Once you've found the chat feature, go ahead and click on it. This will open up a chat interface similar to texting, where you can communicate directly with Temu's customer support team. Now, it's crucial to remain polite and clear in your communication. Start by typing a straightforward message indicating your request. A simple, "I'd like to request a deletion of my order history" will suffice. After sending your message, the chat will then prompt a response from Temu's support team. They may ask you some verification questions to ensure the integrity of your account and to protect your personal information. This step is standard practice for both security and privacy reasons, so be prepared to provide any necessary details. It might be helpful to have some of your account information at hand, just in case. Once your identity is verified, the support team will guide you on the next steps. This assistance might include instructions on confirming your request or completing some formalities. Remember, the process might take a little time, as deleting order history may not be an instant action due to company policies or software limitations. While you wait for the completion of your order history deletion, it's a good practice to ask the team any clarifying questions. If you're unsure about the process, this assurance can keep you informed about any timelines or additional steps you might need to complete. And there you have it. By connecting with Temu support and following these steps, you will be able to request the deletion of your order history. Should you have any further questions or encounter issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Temu's team once again. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. See you in the next video.